Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily English Speaking Practice. This is the place where we practice English together in a calm and simple way.
Hello and welcome, my friends. We are very happy that you are here with us today.
My name is Emma.
And my name is Jack.
In this conversation, we will talk about daily life, simple things we all do every day.
Yes, we will use easy English, slow English, and clear English.
So you can listen, understand, and feel relaxed.
Let's begin with the start of the day.
Jack, tell me something. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 in the morning.
7 is a good time.
Yes, but sometimes I want to sleep more.
That is very normal.
When I wake up, I stay in bed for 1 or 2 minutes.
What do you do in those minutes?
I think about my day. I say to myself, okay, a new day is starting.
That sounds calm.
What about you, Emma?
When I wake up, I open the window.
You open the window?
Yes, I like fresh air in the morning.
Fresh air feels good.
It helps my body and my mind wake up.
How do you usually feel in the morning?
Some days I feel happy, some days I feel tired.
That is honest.
But I try to start the day with a positive thought.
What kind of thought?
I say, I will do my best today.
That is a good sentence.
Yes, simple words can change how we feel.
After you wake up, what is the first thing you drink?
I drink water first.
Water is very important.
Yes, after sleeping, our body needs water.
And after water?
Coffee.
Of course.
I love the smell of coffee in the morning.
Me too. The smell makes me feel ready for the day.
I don't drink coffee fast.
Slow is better.
Yes, I sit quietly and enjoy it.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Almost every day.
What do you like for breakfast?
I like simple food, bread, eggs, or fruit.
I like eggs too.
Eggs give energy.
When I don't eat breakfast, I feel weak.
And maybe angry.
Yes, hungry and angry.
That is called hangry.
Yes, exactly.
Breakfast helps us stay calm and focused.
What do you do after you breakfast?
I clean a little.
You clean in the morning?
Yes, I make my bed and wash some dishes.
That feels good.
A clean space makes my mind feel clean.
I agree. When my room is messy, I feel stressed.
Jack, do you exercise in the morning?
I don't go to the gym,
That's okay.
but I walk.
Walking is great exercise.
I walk for 15 or 20 minutes.
Where do you walk?
Near my house.
Do you listen to music?
Sometimes I just listen to the sounds around me.
That sounds peaceful.
When I walk, I see trees and flowers.
Nature is very calming.
Yes, even small trees make me feel happy.
I like watching birds.
Birds are relaxing.
They remind me to slow down.
Do you meet people during your walk?
Sometimes.
Do you talk to them?
Yes, I say good morning.
That is very nice.
Small words can make big changes.
Yes, a smile and hello can make someone's day better.
Let's talk about something very simple but important.
Water.
Yes, many people forget to drink water.
I forget too.
When I feel tired, I drink a glass of water.
And it helps.
Yes, my head feels clearer.
Emma, do you listen to music when you work?
Yes, I do.
What kind of music?
Soft music.
That helps you focus?
Yes, it makes work feel lighter.
I listen to fast music when I clean.
Do you sing?
Sometimes.
That makes cleaning fun.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about midday.
The middle of the day can be difficult.
Yes, sometimes we feel tired.
Or bored.
That is why small breaks are important.
Emma, do you learn something every day?
I try to.
What do you learn?
Sometimes I read, sometimes I listen to English.
That is good practice.
Even 10 minutes is enough.
Yes, small steps every day.
Learning is like growing a plant.
You give it a little water every day,
Not too much.
and not too little,
With time, it grows.
just like your English.
What do you do when you feel stressed?
I stop for a moment.
And then,
I take a deep breath.
breathing helps a lot.
Yes, it brings calm.
Daily life does not need to be perfect.
Just simple and peaceful.
Small habits make a big difference.
Like drinking water,
Walking
smiling.
and learning a little every day. As the day moves forward, we enter the afternoon.
Yes, the afternoon is a very important time,
Some people feel active in the afternoon.
and some people feel sleepy.
Both are normal.
Emma, how do you usually feel in the afternoon?
After lunch, I feel a little slow.
Me too,
My body wants to rest.
but work still continues.
Yes, so I try to manage my energy.
Let's talk about lunch.
Lunch is very important.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I eat something light.
Like what?
Rice, vegetables, or soup.
I like simple food too.
Heavy food makes me sleepy.
Yes, light food helps me stay active.
Do you drink coffee in the afternoon?
Sometimes.
Not too late?
No, if I drink coffee late, I can't sleep at night.
That happens to me too.
In the afternoon, I prefer tea or water.
Water is always a good choice,
The afternoon is a good time to focus.
but it can be difficult.
Yes.
So I take small breaks.
What kind of breaks?
I stand up.
That's simple.
I stretch my arms and my back
Stretching helps the body.
and the mind.
Sometimes I take a short walk.
Even 5 minutes?
Yes, 5 minutes is enough.
Movement gives new energy.
Sitting all day is not good.
Do you talk to people in the afternoon?
Yes,
Who do you talk to?
my coworkers or family.
Small conversations are helpful.
They make work feel lighter.
Even asking, "How are you?" matters.
The afternoon is also a good time to practice English.
Yes.
You can listen to English while working.
Or while resting.
Short listening practice is very helpful.
It trains your ears. Do you read in the afternoon?
Sometimes,
What do you read?
simple articles or short stories.
That's perfect for learners.
I don't read difficult things.
Easy English builds confidence.
Many people feel pressure when learning,
Yes, they want fast results.
but learning takes time.
And that's okay.
Slow learning is strong learning.
Jack, what do you do when you feel stressed?
I stop working for 1 minute.
Just 1 minute?
Yes,
What do you do in that minute?
I breathe slowly.
Breathing helps a lot.
It tells the body to relax.
Let's remind everyone again.
Drink water.
Yes, many people forget.
Water helps concentration.
And energy.
Music can also change mood.
Yes.
Soft music helps me focus.
Happy music makes me smile.
Music is like a friend.
The afternoon is also a good time to connect with people.
Yes,
A short message,
a quick call.
just saying, "I hope you are well."
That makes relationships stronger.
Do you eat snacks in the afternoon?
Sometimes,
What kind of snacks?
fruit or nuts.
That's healthy.
Sweet snacks give fast energy, but then I feel tired.
Healthy snacks are better. The afternoon does not need to be stressful.
Yes,
We can choose calm actions.
like breathing
Stretching.
and smiling.
Slowly, the afternoon ends.
And evening comes.
Our energy changes again.
Yes.
The day starts to slow down.
In the late afternoon, I reduce heavy work.
That's smart. I prepare my mind for evening.
I finish important tasks earlier so the evening feels lighter.
Life does not need to be busy all the time.
Simple moments matter.
Small habits create balance.
And balance brings peace.
As the day moves forward, the evening slowly begins.
Yes, the light becomes softer,
The noise becomes lower.
and our body starts to relax.
Jack, how do you usually feel in the evening?
I feel a little tired, but calm.
That is a good feeling.
Yes, the busy part of the day is finished,
Evening is a time to slow down.
and to take care of ourselves.
When you come home, what is the first thing you do?
I take off my shoes.
That sounds simple.
Yes, but it tells my body, you are home now.
I wash my hands and face.
That feels fresh.
Do you drink coffee in the evening?
No,
Why not?
because coffee keeps me awake.
That's true.
In the evening, I like tea or warm water.
Warm drinks feel relaxing.
Emma, do you use your phone a lot in the evening?
Sometimes too much.
That happens to many people.
Yes, so I try to put my phone away.
That is a healthy habit,
In the evening, I like calm activities.
like reading,
Yes, a simple book.
not something difficult.
No, evening reading should relax the mind.
Let's talk about dinner.
Dinner should be light.
Why light?
Heavy food makes sleep difficult.
That is true.
I like vegetables, rice, or soup.
Simple food is best at night.
Evening is also time for people we love.
Family and friends.
Talking for a few minutes is enough.
Yes, connection is important.
A short call or message can make us happy.
Do you watch something in the evening?
Sometimes.
Funny or serious?
Funny.
Laughter removes stress.
And helps us feel lighter.
I like to take a warm shower.
That feels very relaxing.
Yes, it helps the body rest.
Now night is here.
The house becomes quiet.
The day is ending.
Before sleeping, I think about good things.
From today?
Yes, small good things.
Like what?
A kind word, a good meal, a peaceful moment.
That makes the heart feel calm.
Sleep is very important.
Yes,
Good sleep helps the body.
and the mind.
When we sleep well,